We recently stayed at the 4-star Hilton San Antonio Hill Country, which is about a 5-minute drive from Seaworld and which provides its guests with a choice between 3 outdoor pools, a hot tub, an on-site dining location called The Spur, and movie nights with s'mores out by the fire pits. Upon arriving at the Hilton, we dropped our bags in the room and decided to take a quick tour of the property. We thought the orchid decorations were a nice touch, given the hotel's proximity to the park. As you enter the hotel, you will find that the dining area for the Spur is straight ahead. To the left, there are a number of conference rooms, none of which appeared to be in use during our stay. To the right of the entrance is a rather charmingly decorated sitting area, and of course, the front desk just beyond. If you find yourself feeling peckish, we recommend grabbing a seat at the bar and trying one of their burgers. In fact, that's exactly what we were doing when the world was introduced to this banger from France.
Ça ira. Les aristocrates à la lanterne, ça ira, ça ira, ça ira. Les aristocrates, on les pendra.
Definitely a difficult act to follow, so let's switch it up and head outside instead. We really enjoyed the property's outdoor spaces, which we thought were well maintained and manicured. The grounds provide lounge seating, an oversized chessboard, cornhole, and fire pits for those wishing to remain dry. And for those looking for a swim, the property contains 3 pools, the first being a lagoon-style pool with attached hot tub, the second being a lap pool, and the third a zero-entry pool for children. Additionally, up the stairs from the lagoon pool is the Tortuga Bay Pool Bar, which, as far as I could tell, offered a smaller selection of canned alcoholic beverages, though I think you may be able to also buy snack foods there as well. There's also a basketball half-court, though it seems more like an afterthought add-on. I love the color they chose for these walls. That could just be because I like the color blue.
Riot! Riot or I'll break it off!
Welcome to the room tour. We thought the layout of the room was pretty straightforward and what you might call expected for what I'd call a pretty basic 4-star hotel. The bathroom was clean, though we noticed a bit of wear and tear on closer inspection. Again, I really loved the wallpaper and it kind of makes me look forward to going to Scotland. We also thought the bed was very comfy, and though I forgot to film it, the mattress underneath was clean and gave no cause for concern. The Hilton is a smaller property as it abuts the much larger Hyatt Regency. That night, the Hilton used a projector to put on a showing of the Good Dinosaur for its guests. The patio area looks even better when lit up in the evening. And the best part of the whole stay was when the Hilton let us play with fire. Okay, sort of. As part of the movie night, the Hilton lit the fire pits and sold s'mores DIY kits. It was a lot of fun. But now that we've got our marshmallows ready, it's time to go watch that movie. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click here to see our stay at the Menger Hotel, or click here for the Lights Fest.